Edifier ES60 is an absolute winner for A, the price point, the visuals, and how good the sound is. So listening to this as I did rotate my microphone, you can tell its high end doesn't drop off. This is perfectly for putting in the middle of a table at a barbecue at your friend's house, or even just outside if you just want to chill out. So everyone gets the same experience. The bass is punchy, and I have to admit the sound quality was very crisp.